Right after you join Recruitemy, you get immediate access to our member-only membership site, our curriculum site, with over 100 hours of content on sales and marketing and biz dev to get new recruiting clients, as well as candidate sourcing tips and tricks, how to find the best A-player candidate for your jobs. But the best part about it that most people tell me is what they're looking for are the scripts, the contracts. So we've got a whole library here, which I'll share with you in our back office membership only curriculum site. So what's cool about this structure of this is it's set up almost like Facebook with a wall right here where we can do constant updates. I can make updates here. My members can come in here and do updates. And we're always talking about new members that we bring in, about our group member call and updates there. We often do role play scenarios that you'll run into with new clients. We've got scripts that we are always updating and testing, and ones that are converting better than others that I'll simply attach here for our members to download and access as you see. Okay, so that's one thing that's pretty cool. I also do video demonstrations here on different tools that I find, and constantly refreshing and updating this so that members benefit from it every day. Over here on the left-hand side, as you'll see, are clear instructions on the onboarding process that we do with our members from day one. Very clear path, where to start, where to come into, the checklist that you go through so you're never lost or wondering, what do I do today? We've got a very structured flight plan per se with our members from day one. So the best part that most of our members like, of course, is the forms and the scripts that pretty much will apply to anything within your recruiting business. So many people that I talk to during the week are looking to start a recruiting company, but don't have agreements like temp to hire agreements, direct hire, retain search, engage search, maybe confidentiality agreements or non-compete agreements, NDAs, credit checks. So all that is right here for you. Click of a button, you can download it, go ahead and replace your logo and any word tracks, client name, etc. You have this right here. The value with this alone is several $1,000s to have, because I've looked online, I've Googled it, and you can't find contracts like this for free anywhere that I've seen. RPO proposals, weekly sales planners, client cold call scripts, the list goes on and on. And then as far as your training modules, we have over 100 hours, basically training videos on various topics within getting new clients, finding candidates, scripts, and things that you can download here. The list goes on and on. So this has been a really valuable thing for our members. It's what you'll have access to on day one. Wanted to share that with you. Hope this helps. Thanks, guys.